Are we ready as India with the army of people that we'll need? Do we need more colleges starting aerospace programs, or do you feel like there is also a need to tweak the curriculum a little bit to become more contemporary? Or what has your own department done in that direction?
Couple of things. One is, if you look at a typical aerospace organization, and I think you have alluded to this very much in some of the things that you asked. Aerospace actually brings in other people like electronics, electrical, mechanical, and sometimes chemical. And there is quite a bit of civil engineering in constructing airports and vertiports. That will be the new thing with eVTOLs. So there is a lot of other engineering disciplines that are required to complete an aerospace project anyway. So the real aerospace engineer is at the core of the whole thing, who is configuring the vehicle. And that is done by a fewer set of people when compared to the larger ecosystem that's required anyway. So aerospace engineers should always actually be in conversation with lots of other engineering disciplines for getting their job done. So in that regard, the best way to actually develop a curriculum like what we do at IIT Madras is to keep the number of core courses limited to what is the bare minimum and let the students choose what they want to learn and in order to pursue their interests. And I think at the institute level we have only about a 40% requirement on core courses. The remaining 60% of the time is on not only electives but also in outside the classroom learning in terms of like mini projects and undergraduate research that credits that we can clock from the CFI or any such work, and then of course the major project itself and all those things. I think that's the right way to do. Today, we can't anymore prescribe that an aerospace engineer should only design a plane, for example, right? So there are a whole bunch of other things that an aerospace engineer can do. And so we have to actually impart the basics, starting from the fluid mechanics and strength of materials, all the way to aerodynamic structures, propulsion, flight mechanics, and controls, right? And then let them figure out what they want to do.
Clearly, the demand for aerospace engineers over the next 10, 20, 30 years is going to outpace supply. From all of the, if even a fraction of the ideas you've alluded to are to become a reality, which also means that there are careers, good careers, waiting for aerospace engineers, but ones that have developed niche expertise and a broad horizon.
Yeah.
Because as you said, you require knowledge of multiple disciplines, but expertise in one deep aerospace
True.
engineering discipline. And curricula that allow students to choose their own depth pathway and allowing them to grow in that direction will really flourish in the next 10, 20, 30 years of their career.